before I knew your name, you were singing over me. When I ran from every light, still your love refused to leave. I hear it now in every moment, in the silence and the sound, the echo of a grace unbroken that keeps chasing me down. You're the echo of grace that fills every space. In my darkest night, you're the softest light. Ooh. You're the echo of hope and the rhythm I know. Even when I fall, you still catch it all. Try to find you in the fire, but you showed up in the breeze. Not in thunder, not in fear, but in patience set me free. Now I hear you in the stillness, in the pulse beneath my skin, and the echo of your mercy keeps drawing me back in. You're the echo of grace that fills every space. In my darkest night, you're the softest light. You're the echo of hope and the rhythm I know. Even when I fall, you still catch it all. Echo through the emptiness, break into the hollow places, fill the space where doubt has grown. Sing to me, I'm not alone. Echo of grace, echo of grace, echo of grace, echo. There's a stillness where you whisper in a place no noise can reach. You don't shout like all the others, but in silence you still speak. I was running, always chasing things that fade, things I don't need, but you met me in the quiet, and there you set me free. There's heaven in the quiet, peace that fills the space inside. When I stop and finally listen, I hear your voice so kind. In the quiet I'm reminded I don't have to earn your grace. I find heaven in the quiet when I look into your face. When I look into your face. never fills a space inside. When I stop and finally listen, I hear your voice so kind. In the quiet I'm reminded I don't have to earn your grace. I find heaven in the quiet. When I look into your face, let the world keep spinning fast. I'll stay here inside your rest. There's a beauty in the stillness that my heart will never guess. Let the music build around me, but inside I'll always know I found heaven in the quiet, where your quiet rivers flow. When the night falls in around me, when my strength begins to fade, I remember you still found me. When I felt too far away, you were steady in the shaking. You were there when no one stayed. Now I run into your presence, where I know I'm always safe. And when the storms begin to rise, you lift me up above the tide. I'm safe in your light, even when the dark surrounds. You're the anchor holding tight when I feel like falling down. You're the calm inside my chest. You're the voice that brings me rest. I'm safe in your light, forever I'm alright. Every breath I breathe is mercy.